Welcome back to my channel, Kaking Koy. Good morning, Kaking Koy. It's another beautiful Friday here at Cornish Alcobar. As usual, early morning walk tayo with Bella and Ashley, my two makulit 4 babies. Grabe ang ganda ng hangin ngayon, perfect start for weekend. Alam nyo na, morning routine natin to, lakad-lakad, exercise at syempre, budding time with my 4 babies. Simple moment like this, sobrang nakaka-relax. I hope kayo rin guys. You take some time to breathe, enjoy the view, and just appreciate the morning vibes. Dito lamang sa I Love Alcobar. Wow!
A few moments later.
After a good walk, syempre gutom time. Kaya ito, breakfast tayo sa McDo. My favorite part of Friday mornings. Coffee, burgers, cupcakes at kwentuhan. And cheers mga Kaking Koy to good vibes, good food, and good mornings. Yes, ayan ang mga Kaking Koy. Ready na ang aking mga 4 babies. Yan. So mag-order na po kami dito lamang sa McDonald's Alcobar, Corniche. Alright mga Kaking Koy, that's it for today's Friday morning vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga lakad namin ni Bella at Ashley. See you next time vlog. Stay Kaking Koy, stay happy, bye!